Okay, good morning. I'm going to be making a soup. At first I thought I'm going to make a detox soup. And then I thought, no, you know what? I'm going to make some kind of minestrone soup. Well, I guess you could say it's sort of like a detox. I wanted to add a starch. I thought about putting into the soup, I thought about putting a pasta. But I found some barley in my cabinet, and I keep it. This is how I keep my barley. I keep it with a couple bay leaves. Then I had some organic Great Northern beans, and then some tomatoes, some canned tomatoes. I have some kale, creminis, some cabbage, some garlic, and then I have a nice blend of onions, carrots, and bell peppers. Really yummy. That's my cat. I'm going to go ahead. No, Bella, you're not going outside. I'm going to go ahead and I have my skillet on, and then I'm going to add, let's wash my hands again. Alrighty. I'm going to add some coconut oil and safflower oil and begin to... My fan doesn't work. I thought it worked, but it doesn't even... Oh, there it is. Ah, there it is. That's what's going on. It's this... I wondered why my fan wasn't working very well. It's this screen that was given to me doesn't work very well. Anyways, okay, so I got my fan working now. So I'm going to go ahead and put in, it's not really a, what do you call it? A trinity, a mirepoix, I would say. Well, I think it's more of a trinity. I'm not sure. It's been a while. Anyways, I have to look it up. So I'm just going to go ahead and add that. Bella, stop. Stop, stop, stop. That's my kitty cat. She wants to... Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of salt to that so they can hurry up and caramelize. In the meantime, I have my stock that's heated up. Okay. Alright. Oh, let's get this. Add a little bit of salt to that. Okay. So I have my partly cooked barley. This is pearl barley, so I'm going to add that to it as well. Yeah, I kind of scorched it, so I'm going to take out the scorched pieces. Okay, and that's what it looks like. Basically, that's what it looks like. Okay. Then I'm going to add my kale. Okay. I'm going to add my cabbage. And cabbage, it'll kind of make it, I would say it kind of brings some sweetness to your soup. And then some creminis. So, there you have. So this is going to be a nice little healthy, high in a lot of vitamins, nutrients, great for your kids. And if you want to, you can add, I'm going to add some cut up or diced tomatoes. And then I have some great northern beans I'm going to add to that. Yep. No, Bella, you're not going outside. That's my cat. She's asking to go outside. I took her out earlier, but she didn't like what she saw, so. Now I'm going to add my stock to it. And that's a nice chicken stock that I made with my chicken bones, roasted chicken bones. And I do this kind of soup kind of like every season because I know I haven't been eating really well. So then I say, okay, let me get some food